Hi guys, so 30 days to the exam now, right? What's the plan? We want to finish off our entire syllabus, whatever we have to read by 30th of this month, 30th of July. And then in the last 10 days, we go through everything we have done in the last 6 to 7 months, in the last 10 days, so as to carry it to the exam, vomit it out, and then maybe forget it on the next day. But we need to revise it all in the last 10 days to keep it and to carry it to the exam and to be successful in attempting from all the theory we have read, right? So that's the basic plan. Reading everything till 30th of this month, and then in the last 10 days one more revision. What all you need to do? At least do the MCQ discussion videos or the Delta videos. You can do it from anywhere. Videos are available for free on YouTube. Every platform has PYQ discussion videos. Doesn't matter whichever platform you're using, you can do, and you have to do at least the MCQ discussion videos. Why I'm saying it repeatedly to do the MCQ discussion videos is because you get to know the approach, how the teacher is approaching that particular previous year question, right? So you get to know how the person is approaching and how you need to solve that particular question. Second is PYQs and PYTs. So at least solve the PYQs, whatever description is given in the Marrow app. Marrow has a beautiful description for every MCQ. At least you should know that. And if not, if you're using any other app, you should know that topic thoroughly, right? Most higher chances of getting it repeated again. Not the question, but the topic. Make your concise notes now, or you have your concise notes now, revise that, or use the rapid revision module. Do not stick to the main notes. It is going to be very difficult to revise in the last 10 days. Everything, all 19 subjects, right? Review all the old GTs. Please do not skip any GT. You've already spent good 3.5, 4 hours on each GT. Give it 1.5 hour more every day, so that you are able to capitalize on whatever you have spent. Don't let it go in vain. Just spend 1.5 hour every day. Maybe 100 questions of old GT can be revised every day, and in 2 days 1 GT can be covered. Even if you have given 10 GTs in the next 20 days, you can revise each one of those GTs and gain as much as possible from those old GTs. Attempt all the national mocks. If you have not given any national mocks, if you have not given any grand tests, do attempt the national mocks. Those are available. Most of the national mocks are available free on each platform. Webladder, Cerebellum, Marrow, everybody has one, and they are going to conduct one more. So attempt at least those questions. Those questions are framed by the faculty. They've chosen it to be in the national mock because they think that is the most important thing that is going to be asked in the exam, right? Most importantly, I would say stay positive, guys. There's a lot of negativity around. If you talk to your friends, a lot of people are saying, after the postponement, they are not able to study, they are not able to gain back the momentum. It happens, and most of the people are saying so to me also. But you need to stay positive, you need to stay calm. You have put in the last 6-7 months, sacrifice everything. You have done everything that you can for the exam. Just last 10 to 15 days are there, and then 10 days of revision. So just keep calm, stay positive, things will happen for you. One more thing I would request you to do is join the WhatsApp group. We are doing custom modules over there daily, all PYQ based since the last 7 to 8 months. Kindly join the WhatsApp group, link is in the description, and solve those PYQs, solve those custom modules. You'll get an idea how people are doing it, how people are solving it, and how much they are scoring. Your peer group is scoring. One more help I need from your side is press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, help me also grow, and let me help more and more people and reach to more and more people, more and more aspirants for NEET PG, right? All the very best, guys. If you have any more doubts, you can ping me on WhatsApp. My DMs are open 24/7. Link is in the description. All the very best. Thank you.